Honorable Prime Minister has also been on ensuring that data is something that is very important. And data is something that is very important where we are able to guide the farmer and he is able to take the right decision of what is the type of crop, what is his water table. Everything today is available to different type of technologies that is available in front of us. Today we are talking of something totally different. We are talking about soil impact of actually understanding and data analytics. I was just making a statement that it is not related to this subject, but actually using of data analytics and I'm trying to understand and analyze the data of the forest and the soil in the forest, soil health, which is very important. It is important. I am also one of those persons who is very passionate about the forest, and this is something which is very interesting, but it is important for us to enhance. I think with your help, we will be able to further enhance. The research division never, I don't think, was that strong in any forest department. And today, with the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister and the Government of India and Bhupendra Yadav ji, who is a good friend of mine and Union Minister for Forest and Environment, it is so important to understand the health of the soil in the forest, so that you are able to take the right type of planting, right type of, very data analyzed in such a manner that you are able to take forth what actually needs to be done in the forest. It is so important that data-driven management of the forest is so important. Then only we will be able to get a particular outcome. नहीं तो हम क्या करते हैं कि जाके पेड़ लगाते हैं, ये पेड़ लगाते हैं और हमको लगता है कि वो पेड़ अच्छा तरह से ऊपर आ जाएगा. हम भी ऐसे करते हैं, कुछ पेड़ अच्छा लगा तो लेके लगा देते हैं. लेकिन if you do not understand what is the composition, it's simple in your own home. Today there are various layers that you have to put before you get a proper outcome. वो सीड ट्रांसफर कर सीड हम जो लगाते हैं उसके लिए भी अलग तरीके से हमको प्लान करना पड़ता है कि what is the going to be the outcome. It is important. Goa's forest and the western region has got so much of forest wealth. And then the research division after through, I think we need to send our officers also and give them the exposure that they require. And it is so important. Today only I am reiterating. When I took over as Forest Minister also I said that it is important for us to see that a group of officers is sent. I know officers are transferred from different places and they are brought to Goa. But it is very important that the forest officers are sent in batches right up to the forest range forest officers to go and see actually the planning management of forests in different areas in wildlife parks, forest management per se, what is happening, because in Goa our activities are very limited. And when you go outside and see, then you know exactly how the forest department is evolving, what is actually happening. And I think we should do it from this year onwards as a routine, and we will make a budgetary provision in the forest department. Whether it is wildlife management, कई टाइगर को आपको ट्रैंकुलाइज करने को, कोई एलिफेंट आ जाता है. अभी एलिफेंट आए हमारे ओमकार करके एलिफेंट, मेरा पीएस का नाम भी ओमकार है, वही मैं बोल रहा था. उसको मैंने वो इंस्टाग्राम का ओमकार एलिफेंट एंटर्स हुआ करके मैंने उसको भेज दिया. तू तो नहीं गया उधर. तो लेकिन ये सब चीज़ जो हम करते हैं फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट का, एंड लेट मी टेल यू, I have been present in the wildlife sanctuary not 1 day, 2 days on a regular basis in different wildlife parks in the state with the field director going, doing, leaving the tigers and actually transporting them to different places, and actually what is actually happening within the forest is so important. And when we are talking about management of forests and the soil cards is a good initiative. It's so important to see how we actually plan and what we want to do within the forest. There are so many ways of moving forward, there are so many terminologies, I don't want to go into every aspect of it, but just as in a layman's language, that it is so important to have this forest soil health card so that you are able to do the right type of plantation. आज प्रधानमंत्री जी ने हर चीज़ जब वो बोलते हैं कि एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, उस माध्यम से को फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को मास इसमें करना चाहिए. इसमें कम्युनिटी को भी इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं. कम्युनिटी को हम जब इन्वॉल्व करते हैं तो कम्युनिटी को भी फीलिंग फॉर द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट. और अलग तरीके से मुझे लगता है कि कम्युनिटी हमारा पूरा क्षेत्र जो इधर का है, ये सप्तरी का क्षेत्र, ज़्यादा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी का क्षेत्र है, उधर भी लोगों को इन्वॉल्व किया तो मुझे लगता है कि इट विल बी अ वेरी गुड थिंग टू एक्चुअली मूव फॉरवर्ड in a very planned manner. This initiative which you have taken, I think from your side, if we are able to send some few officers to come and see your center, lekin I think this is time now for us to see, even in the state of Goa, to ensure that the research division of the forest department is given premium and top importance, because only then we will be able to make headway in doing things. Many times people say to me so many things on what we need to do in the state of Goa as far as wildlife is concerned. ये मैं आज दोनों हमारे DCF बैठे इधर, ये एनओसी देने के बजाय बाकी सब कुछ करिए। नहीं, मैं बोलता हूँ क्योंकि हमेशा लोगों को लगता है कि फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का काम है, हम सिर्फ एनओसी देते रहते हैं हर चीज़। कोई बोलता है कि 25 पेड़ काटो, ये 25 पेड़ भी काटना बंद कर दीजिए। ये मैंने पीसीएस साहब को ऑलरेडी बोला है कि ये कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी चलती है चलेगी, लेकिन उनको फॉरेस्ट और ये ट्रीज जो पुराने पेड़ जो है उनको प्रोटेक्ट करके ही कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी चलना चाहिए। हमें अलग तरीके से विचार करना चाहिए कि फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का क्या रोल है। हमें लोग रोड रोल करेंगे कि हम पे प्रेशर डालेंगे कि हमें इतने पेड़ काटने हैं तो काट डालो। अभी मैंने उस दिन आपको हम चर्चा हुआ हमारा, फिर मैंने कभी आज तक फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट में ये पेड़ लगाने में समय लगता है। अब अच्छे समय जब लगता है तो उसको भी संभालना ही फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का कर्तव्य होता है। और मुझे लगता है कि कहीं तो सीरियसनेस उसमें आना चाहिए। मैं आज बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि इट्स नॉट कनेक्टेड टू दिस फॉरेस्ट सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड। फॉरेस्ट सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड, to make it a success, I think our officers have to play a very important role. And also, whatever you need to actually plant or what plantation you need to take वो फॉरेस्ट सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड का आप किए होंगे एनालिसिस। हमारे पास आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नेवर विजिटेड योर, हमारे पास जो रिसर्च फैसिलिटी जो है, ये रिसर्च फैसिलिटी वी शुड हैव इन नॉर्थ, वन वी शुड हैव इन साउथ। ऑल्सो एनालिसिस करने के लिए एज फार एज एफडीए, हमारे जो पहले एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ, एफडीए जो मेरा था, लकीली मैं 16 साल मंत्री हूँ और ये एफडीए मेरे अंडर आता है। पहले एफडीए में कुछ टेस्टिंग फैसिलिटी पहले जैसा नहीं था। ड्रग्स का टेस्टिंग हो या किसी की भी चीज़ का इमीडिएटली हमें वो टाइप का इक्विपमेंट जब उधर अवेलेबल होता है तो अच्छी तरह से हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। मुझे लगता है कि इस तरह से हमें अच्छा काम करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर द हेल्प ऑफ द राइट टाइप ऑफ इक्विपमेंट, वी रिक्वायर द राइट टाइप ऑफ रिसर्च पीपल, वी शुड टेक हेल्प that the people who are involved with the community, right type of NGOs also should be involved. Only then I think we can actually move in a very and forest wildlife के अंदर आपके सिवा और कोई आता ही नहीं अंदर, तो आप सब बैठे इधर, सब बड़े ऑफिसर्स बैठे, तो आपको ही देखना है कि ये प्लांटेशन कैसे हम आगे ले जा सकते हैं। और ऑल्सो ensuring that what can be done. Again I am stressing, again every time I am stressing in every meeting, please do something to create grasslands also. ये grasslands are very important if you want to actually have sustainable wildlife, and wildlife parks and national parks have to be actually work what we are saying, that achieve sustainability in terms of prey density increasing. How do we do it? How do we actually do it? ये सब चीज़ इंटीग्रेट करके करना है। मुझे लगता है कि इसके माध्यम से ये we will be in a better position to see that we take up the right plantations. In this place, we are having a lot of problems of bisons coming into areas and stray, and sometimes there have been incidents where there has been a bison in a cow shed in Sattari only. So you will be surprised. It has come quietly because of feed. उसको खाने को सही मिलता नहीं तो वो आता है उनके साथ और उधर आ जाता है। अभी हम बोलते हो खेती करके एक ब्रीड है, वो मंकीज का ये है, उसको फ्री बेरिंग ट्रीज जब नहीं मिलेंगे फॉरेस्ट में तो आके बाकी जगह में नुकसान करेगा। तो हमें अलग तरीके से विचार करना चाहिए। एंड दे शुड बी, आई थिंक वी अबाउट यंग ऑफिसर्स। Young officers should come out with a plan of what the government will do in the short term and the long term. And when you're doing your soil testing and you're doing all these, where what can be done, then I think we should aggressively and I think we should make a pledge. जब प्रधानमंत्री जी बोल रहे हैं कि एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, एक पेड़ माँ के नाम इज नॉट एक पेड़ लगा के हो गया। फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को अपना काम करना चाहिए एंड फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट के माध्यम से हमें फॉरेस्ट एरिया में जो हम कर सकते हैं, ये 5 लाख के हम 10 लाख भी लगा सकते हैं पेड़। लेकिन लगाना क्या है, हमें लगा कि आउटकम क्या हमें मिलेगा, वो उस पर भी थोड़ी चर्चा करके आगे जाने की कोशिश हमें करना है। आई डोंट टेक मच टाइम, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप फॉरवर्ड एंड दिस इज ड्रिवन बाय none other than the Prime Minister of the country, who has been actually, if you look at his vision, it's actually a vision, nobody has actually thought so systematically in every aspect. And today you go and basically analyze, and it's good for all of us. It's good for all of us. एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, मैं वापस बोल रहा हूँ, I am just trying to reiterate the fact, it's not just एक पेड़ माँ के नाम. It is what we can do as a community, what we can do as a department, how we can play our own little role as far as climate change and weather change and all this is taking place. You see, कभी कोई देखा नहीं कि दिल्ली में अचानक बारिश हो जाती है। हम देखते हैं कि इधर अक्टूबर का छोड़िए, दिसंबर जनवरी में बारिश आती है। तो ये सब चीज़ का इम्पैक्ट और ये क्लाइमेट चेंज का जो इफेक्ट हो रहा है, इसके लिए भी दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी डू द राइट प्लांटेशन एंड दी सॉइल कार्ड्स का आपने आज function you have organized today. I think we should use this as a base to move forward. But the research division has to be enhanced and has to be taken. I do understand. I'm being very open. I do understand there are limitations of finances. There are limitations of it. But then within that limitation, you have other organizations like he has come from. I was told that he has worked. Paliganji has worked here as a DCF in Goa. The organization that he comes to will already be having that type of setup. So you take help from those people. Limitation है, लेकिन within intergovernment के लिए there is no restriction. We can always work together and ensure that we give the right direction to the department to move forward. And I would like to wish you well, and research department has a role to play, because you will be actually advising the department of what is the plantation that you can undertake everywhere else. Officers have to be proactive. Many of them, ये सब हमारे ऑफिसर है गोवा के, इनको भेजिए, इनको एक एक्सपोजर भी मिलेगा. एक हफ्ते के लिए भी भेजा तो बहुत है. उधर जाके सुबह कितने बजे उठते हैं, हम 45 को उठते. वो डायरेक्टर आपका पाठक था, वो मुझे आके ले जाता था, 1 बजे आता था. रूम में रानी जी उठो, जाना है वो टाइगर को भी छोड़ना है, आपको अच्छे दिखाता हूँ मैं, आइए. तो किसी को ले नहीं जाते थे. लेकिन वो 4:45 क्या 1 बजे से लेकर 3 बजे तक हम जाते थे, देखते थे क्या होता था. इवन ट्रैंकुलाइज करने के लिए हमारे पास फैसिलिटी नहीं है. हमारे पास एक्सपर्ट भी शायद नहीं होगा गोवा में. ये ट्रैंकुलाइज करने के लिए द वे इट इज शॉर्ट ऑल्सो ही हैज शोन मी. इट इज अ वे इट गोज दिस वे एंड गोज, इट नॉट शॉर्ट लाइक दिस वे. So basically all these things have to be taught, and actually this is the exposure our officers should be given. We should also train, so in case of we want to tranquilize and say it's a leopard that is entered into somebody's house, we need to tranquilize him and go and put him back into the forest. It's very important. And also one more thing which I would like to suggest, which is not related to the soil health cards, which is most important, this has to be taken forward, is also all along the highway we need the government, we need to write to the PWD. Now Mr. Digambar Kamath is the PWD minister. We will request him that jidhar we find that there is a wildlife or movement of wildcats, then at least the slowdown or the speed control is very important. And that is important for us to actually take an initiative. We lost a beautiful, I go to Kabini to go and see a black panther, and here we lost a black panther because of accident. And also we have also taken initiative, I am sitting down next week, is to see that 2-3 aspects is on animal and marine rescue. That is very important to us. But today, thank the PCCF and his whole team for having me here for in my own constituency. Actually, this was made by my father, his forest training school. तो आप फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट में किधर ही जाएंगे, कोई राणे आपको दिखेगा. मेरे पिताजी होंगे नहीं तो मेरा बहुत कम है कंट्रीब्यूशन फॉरेस्ट के इसमें. मेरे पिताजी का बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन है. उनका फॉरेस्ट वाज हिज हॉबी एंड ही लव्ड द फॉरेस्ट. And nobody knows, I don't think anybody knows the forest as much as he knows. All the press people sitting here, they'll say, yes, beta alag hai, baap alag hai. इनका यही कंडीशन हो कि Mr. Pratap Singh Rane's love for forest cannot be, nobody can match that. That is the type of love he had for a forest. Protection गोवा का forest किया है तो उन्होंने ही किया है, और I don't think anybody else would have done it. वो reserve forest पहले बनाया था, लेकिन अभी जब वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है तो हमें वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी में लोगों को लेके कोएग्जिस्ट करने की we have to try our best, and I wish you well, and whatever we can do, I think we need to take help from him, and we need to see that our officers and young officers go there, and along with our range officers, they can go and see what's happening in other whether it is a national park, wherever these plantations are taking place, how they are actually making it a success, and then we can implement it in the state of Goa. Thank you so much.